Hello wonderful people of YouTube, it's Vincent from Wonders of London. Hope you're all doing well and having a good day. And I just wanted to show you something. I'm in the city of London, the Square Mile. And one thing you must always look out for in the city of London are dragons. There are dragons all over the city of London. And in fact, the dragons are known as the guardians of London, and we can see two of these dragons here on the crest of the city of London, and they protect our wonderful, amazing city. So we got two dragons here, but we've got so many dragons within the city of London, as I will show you in a few moments. And in fact, just over here on the Magistrates Court, which is in the ward of Walbrook, we do have a phenomenal crest once again, and it does have two more dragons. So now we found four dragons within seconds of each other. Have a look at those fantastic, beautiful dragons within the city of London, as you can see in the ward of Walbrook. And in fact, if you follow me over here, I want to show you two more dragons. The closest station to where we are is of course Bank Station. So if you do want to find these phenomenal dragons and more, do make your way to Bank Station, which is on the underground lines, and it is quite a brilliant area just to explore. And you can see the entrance to Bank Station over there. But if we look just here on number 1 Queen Victoria Street, we have the Magistrates Court, which has a lovely door. But as I pan up over here, we can see two more dragons by the City of London Magistrates Court. How fantastic is that? So next time you are in the City of London, the Square Mile, be sure to look out for dragons. Thanks, I hope you enjoyed that video. And of course, if you did enjoy it, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and all the like. Thank you very much for joining us. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.